Hi, it's Paul, and in this video I'm an old man with some thoughts on this, which is the Autoglym Headlight Restoration Kit. We had a situation where my daughter's 2006 Vauxhall Astra had some discoloration on the headlamps. We knew it was going to fail the MOT, so we wanted to do something about it. New headlight lenses or new headlight units are about £85–90 a piece for it, so we were like, no, we're not going to do that. We bought this for I think about £27 from Halfords. I have no connection with Halfords or Autoglym or anyone else used in this video, so this isn't an advert, this is just how we got on with it. It's also not a how-to. There are how-tos out there. There's even an Autoglym one. I'll put a link to that in the description below if you want to know how to use it. I'm just going to tell you how we got on, and the short answer to that is, yeah, it's pretty good actually. But let's have a look. So as I touched on before, this is the state of the headlamps when we started. These are the original headlamps as fitted when the car was built, and we knew it was going to fail the MOT because we'd had a pre-MOT check done and they said that's going to fail the MOT, so we needed to attend to it. In the particular Halfords we went to, they'd got Maguire's kits, they'd got an Autoglym kit, they'd got a couple of other kits, they'd got cheaper options, they'd got more expensive options. Why did I go for the Autoglym? I don't know really. It just seemed to fit the bill, and it had the bits that I thought we probably would need, like the drill pads and things. In the box it comes with like the polishing pad that goes in your drill, and in usage order it came with 6 P800 discs, 4 P1500 discs, a P2000 disc which is like a sponge backed one, a P3000 disc which is another sponge backed one, and you use that with water, and then finally a polishing pad that you use the restoration compound on. Also comes with a microfiber cloth for a final polish. Because I've got one, we used my right angle drill, Ryobi, because you get a lot more control with if you've got a right angle drill rather than a standard pistol drill, I feel. If you haven't got a right angle drill, then pistol drill will do. I just think the right angle one's easier. So here's a couple of shots of daughter going at it with the pads on the headlamp. And yes, cue this health and safety police saying, oh, she should have her hair tied back. Actually, her hair was nowhere near the drill whatsoever. It's just the camera angle. Calm down. So we felt we got on pretty well with it. We found it reasonably easy to use, given that neither of us had ever done anything like that before. We felt the results were good enough. Here's the left and right, left not done, right completed, shown for comparison. And yeah, the right side isn't perfect, but we didn't need that. What we needed was it to pass MOT, and that's what it did. So there you have it. We thought it was pretty good. It certainly did us good enough a job to get the car through the MOT, which, as I say, we know it had already picked up on a pre-MOT check that it was going to fail, so we're very happy with it. If you're happy with it, or if you're not happy with it, or you don't care, or you don't like the video, stick a comment below, whatever. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.